So you're building your portfolio and your case studies in the hopes of getting hired, of landing freelance clients or a full-time position. But guess what? So is everybody else. So what's the differentiator? What's the thing that's going to give you the edge over the competition? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 portfolio hacks. It's going to give you that edge and help you land those roles. Clarity beats complexity. Every day of the week being clear is going to beat being complex. And so your portfolio, it's not for other designers. It's not to win awards. It's not for me, and it's not to stroke your own ego. So if that's the case, who's your portfolio actually for? It's for project managers. It's for art directors. It's for hiring managers. It's for that new potential freelance client or for that home that you're hopefully going to make in a full-time position at a company. And so you need to use language that speaks to your readers. You might want to say, to stoke your own pride and ego, that you're a UX UI designer that solves problems for blah, 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 insert industry jargon here. But it makes a lot more sense to say, I'm a mobile app designer who loves to solve problems, or I'm a website designer for this industry. Speak specifically to your readers in clear, understandable language. Forget all the jargon. You're going to be better off. Metrics speak louder than aesthetics. A visually beautiful portfolio or case study will make a good first impression, but metrics make people interested in hiring you. So ask yourself, did your design do something? Did it reduce churn, or did it increase conversion rates, make the company more money, or just improve satisfaction overall? Those are the things that you can measure and show that you bring value, that you have impact, and that you're worth hiring. If you don't know how to get those types of quantitative or qualitative metrics, click the link down in the description to join the Design Champs community. I have tons of information in there for free to help you gather that type of information. But these types of metrics are going to help sell you to your new employer or to freelance clients. Less is more. You don't need 10, 15, 20 different case studies to impress. What you actually need is 2 to 3 really tailored, very quality case studies. I think a lot of times designers make up for their lack of quality with quantity, but quality is going to beat out quantity every single day of the week. When I hire designers, I hire for the quality. They don't need to have millions of years of experience. They don't need to have tons and tons of design projects under their belt. They just need to walk me through, show their process and their skill set in 2 to 3 quality case studies. So less is more. Focus your time and your efforts on making those 3 phenomenal. Tailor for specific industries. It's been said that the riches are in the niches, and that's very true even in your portfolio and your case studies. Generic portfolios, they get ignored, but tailored portfolios, they get you interviews. It's way harder for people to find you and hire you if you are a generic web designer versus being a web designer that specializes in this type of industry, this type of development, this type of design for this type of client. They're going to find you a lot easier. Figure out how to be a big fish in a small pond, not a small fish in a big pond, and you're going to get jobs. Build credibility with social proof. Let other people tell the tale of your awesomeness. Let other people vouch for your good work. This means on your portfolio and in your case studies, you should be highlighting logos of companies, faces of people, real written testimonials, either video or written, from people that you've actually worked with or are your peers. Just having any kind of social proof is going to help sell you and the work that you do. That means get those testimonials onto those case studies so they are in context with the work you've done. And if you don't know how to collect case studies, then jump down in the description, hit that link to join Design Champs for free. We've got some really good resources in there on how you can go about sending those emails, getting those testimonials from clients and peers to feature on your portfolio, because it is worth 1,000 words. It is amazing, and what it'll do for your case studies and portfolio is out of this world. Well, that's it. Those are 5 portfolio hacks that are going to help you land more clients and get more jobs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I make lots of content about design and development and careers just like this one, so make sure you ring that bell so you know when more videos come out. Also, check the link down in the description to join Design Champs, where you can grow and level up your UI, UX, and web design career. Hope you're having an amazing week, designing amazing things, making amazing things. We'll see you in the next one.